She'll get you guys all fed and watered, huh? I brought you guys some mealworms today. I just dumped some mealworms in their scrap bucket, so we'll give those to them. Watch them find all the mealworms in there. Big handsome boy. Just making a nest so comfy and cozy. That's a pretty baby. Come back out, Mama. There's their Mama. Hi, baby. You guys going back to bed? You're a good mama, Georgia. Your babies are so precious. They're so cute. I love baby goats. Hi, girls. Hi, Shirley. Hi, Laverne. You guys thirsty? When you gonna have babies, huh? Hi, boy. Hi, buddy.